Hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Dane Hill in West Sussex. Wanted to show you this. Essentially, it's a poolside room, but the client already had this amazing extension of their house you see there that used in the normal way of kind of integration with bars and things like that. So the room was purely to keep the kids out of the house and have a toilet in it, plant room, and also just a little changing room. Done in the Iroko cladding. You can see the house has got this lovely, like a dark timber. We decided to do something to nod to that, but not identical. So we've got anthracite doors, we've got anthracite window, fascias, but then the Iroko cladding. Iroko is a type of timber and it really does look lovely. I really do like this natural feel. The issue with this is that it needs a bit of maintenance, and it can obviously degrade and grey out, and actually for this position in this orientation, when it's in such a lovely natural environment, the pool there and amazing views that we've got here, actually that's what the client wants. But if not, we could have gone with like the Trespa cladding. That would work really well as well. So there's different options here. Couple of real unique points. One is just the design, not our normal type of design, but really nice with the Iroko. Wanted the toilet. There was already water up here, and the water comes from right down here. There's a lake. So what's happened is to make that usable in an actual proper toilet and not just a hose, we've fitted a whole filtration system here. So this is the pool equipment that you'd imagine to have. This here, all this system is a filtration system, so that it makes that the lake water actually drinkable. And then we've used that in the other room here. We pop in here to fund and feed the toilet and the basin, which you can see here. And we've done what's called a Jack and Jill. So you can see we can enter it here, but you can also enter it from the outside as well. And along with that, we've just got a nice little changing room area we've got here with some drinks. And as I say, all just focused on wet feet, wet legs, and kids playing around, being able to stay outside of the house. Yeah, so there you go. So it's a 4.2 wide by 2.4 deep, essentially changing room and toilet and plant room store, done in the Iroko with the anthracite to nod to the client's preferences. And I think it's just a really nice option. If you've got any specific building you want in any type of look, please do let us know, and let us know your thoughts on this building, something a bit different from us. Thank you for watching.